Hello everyone, it's Crafting with Miss Cook again. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bookshelf out of these two cardboard boxes. These boxes you can get from the grocery store, the dollar store, and make sure you get some really good sturdy boxes. These Gain detergent boxes are really good and sturdy, okay? So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to glue the two boxes together. Now what I did here is I got a piece of cardboard. I measured it just to make it a little more sturdier. So I already put that on top of the box. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use our glue, because you're going to need glue. You're going to need glue, scissors, and some contact paper. That's all you need to make your box, to make your bookshelf. Okay. So now get the glue and just kind of glue it all over the top of your box or your piece of cardboard. You can use foam board also. If you don't have an extra piece of cardboard, you can use some foam board from the dollar store or wherever. And we're just gonna put glue all over the top of the box. And you guys are gonna love this. It's gonna be remarkable to see this beautiful bookshelf. We all have books just laying around and we need somewhere to put them. So this way, we can put them in our new bookshelf. Alrighty. Okay. I think that's enough. But you want to make sure you get it all the way, all around, especially on the corners. I think that's enough. I'm going to take the box here and put it right on top. Just kind of push it down. Right here. Yep, perfect. That's perfect. These are really good sturdy boxes. So always look for sturdy boxes when you want to make a bookshelf. Okay. Now our next thing is to take the contact paper, and what you can do is pre-cut it like I've done. I've already pre-cut the paper. So let's see here. We'll start on the side. Let's see. You can start at the edge here. Okay. I'm going to start right in the corner here. If you have to turn it sideways, that's fine. Let's see. Okay. So now we're going to just slowly pull the contact paper off. Take the backing off of the contact paper. You want to get all the air bubbles out. Let me turn it sideways. This one, we have a few bubbles, so we can kind of lift it up here. And make it a little neater. There we go. And it's okay if you have a few bubbles, because it's going to be on the side anyway. See if I can get it a little bit closer here. The thing about this contact paper is pretty forgiving. So. All right, there we go. Now this is the side here. Make sure kind of. We can do the trimming later. And if it doesn't stick, you can always get some glue or some tape. Right now, we're just going to go with it. Okay. Now we're going to go over to the other side and do the same thing. We'll have to trim it later. Okay, let's see here. Okay, there we go. I'm going to do a little bit at a time here. Such a large piece. Come on. This side don't want to come off. Okay, we'll go back to this side. Okay, there we go. Let's try it again. This time I'll take the whole thing off. I'm going to do it this way. Okay. Let's make it a little better here. All right. Whew. Took a minute, but we did it. Starting to look like a bookshelf already. Okay. Now for the middle part here, I'm going to do the same thing. I should have already pre-peeled this stuff. Okay, there we go. Just gonna fold it under here. That's here. And I'm gonna trim this part. Here we go. It's already looking good. And then you'll do the same thing for the back. I'm not gonna cover the back right now, but as long as your two sides are covered and the front is covered. Okay. And then move this. Okay. Turn this way for now. Make sure everything is nice and tucked. Let me see if I can get this over. Broke my nail. Okay, there we go. Okay, you may have to do it piece by piece because I ran out of contact paper, so I have to break it up piece by piece, okay? Okay, let's see if we can get this one open. All right. Then we'll do the trimming last, everything that needs to be trimmed. Hopefully this will fit. See if we can get this good. Okay, and then we have just a little piece here. I'll cut another little piece off. This off. Sometimes this contact paper is on pretty tight. All right. Now we have this amazing bookshelf. So now what we'll do is we'll begin to do our trimming. Okay. We can trim the top here. Well, we have to get some tape to make it stay, to reinforce contact paper, but you get the idea. You see what looks just like a bookshelf from 2 boxes. Okay, let's put books in here now. We have some great books by Jason Reynolds, All American Boys, Randy Ribeye, After the Shot Drops, Kwame Alexander, The Crossover, look at this. Isn't this awesome? So you have 2 shelves, and there's enough room back here for big boxes for the smaller kids. Wow, isn't that something? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know, and have a good day.